Today we're learning how to make these amazing Rome-inspired slides in PowerPoint, all the way from scratch. Let's start from a blank slide. Right-click and paste your picture. Now we are going to add a rectangle on top of it. Drag it across the entire slide. We are going to make it white, and no outline. Now you have to add text box on top of it. Let's type the word Rome, change the font to Montserrat. Also change the size of text. Position it into middle of the slide. Now you have to select back shape first and then the text. Then go to shape format, and subtract. Now we are going to add some shadow. Go to shape format and follow the steps. Let's duplicate the first slide, and zoom out the slide. Now increase the shape as large as you can. Then you have to fit the slide in between the letters. Go to transitions and add morph transition. And this is how you can create this beautiful open slide in PowerPoint.